What if I told you that you could start your cryptocurrency journey with just $1? And what if that $1 could potentially grow into something much bigger over time? Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not. With Stellar, this is more achievable than you think. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start investing in Stellar, even if you are completely new to crypto. So by the end of this video, you will have all the tools confidently to take that first step into the crypto world. Let's dive in.
Bring me my money.
Hi champions, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Blitz Zion, your guide to building a profitable online business and unlocking financial opportunities. On this channel, we'll learn how to earn online, grow income streams, and repeat the process. If that sounds good to you, be sure to hit that subscribe so you don't miss any of our valuable content. Today, we are diving into the world of cryptocurrency, specifically Stellar. This is a perfect video for anyone curious about crypto but unaware where to begin. In this video, you will learn what Stellar is and why it's beginner friendly, a step-by-step guide to opening a crypto account, how to buy Stellar with as little as $1, the withdrawal options and potential ways to grow your income. Now let's get started. What is Stellar? Stellar is a blockchain-based platform designed to make fast and low-cost international payment. Its cryptocurrency is XLM and it acts as the fuel for these transactions. And of course, here's why Stellar is great for you as a beginner. It has a very affordable entry point, which means that with XLM costing less than $1 per unit, you can start small. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which may feel out of reach for so many right now, Stellar makes entry very affordable into the crypto space. And secondly, fast transactions. Stellar transactions are processed in seconds, making it ideal for sending and receiving money globally. Stellar's transaction fees are almost negligible compared to other blockchains, which definitely you have to pay more. Now that you have understand what Stellar is, let's dive into the process of opening your first crypto wallet. Now, step 1, choose a crypto exchange. To start, you need a platform where you can buy and store Stellar. Some great options include Coinbase. It's beginner friendly but with slightly high fees. And of course, there is also Kraken. Kraken is also known for security and very reasonable fees. And of course, there is Binance. Binance has very low fees and access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Now, step 2 you have to take is opening an account. Visit one of the exchange websites of your choice and of course, click sign up to create an account. After you click sign up to create an account, it brings you to this area where you have to enter your details. So you have to provide your email, choose a very strong password, and agree to the terms of service. After that, you have to verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification link that is going to be sent to you. You have to click on it to activate your account. Once you've done that, you have to verify your identity, KYC. Most platforms require KYC, know your customer, for security purposes, while some don't. Now, you have to upload a valid ID card. It could be a personal driver's license or a national ID. After that, you provide proof of your address. It could be a utility bill or your bank statement. After that, you have to take a selfie video for identity verification. And once you've done that, you have to set up two-factor authentication to ensure you have extra layer of security in your crypto account. You have to add an extra layer of security by enabling 2FA, which is two-factor authentication, using an app like Google Authenticator. And of course, once you've done that, congratulations, your crypto account is now ready to use. Now, the step 3 you have to take is to deposit your $1 into your crypto wallet, unless you're starting with more. And here's how you go about it. You go to the deposit or funding section of your crypto exchange wallet. You choose your preferred payment method. It could either be bank transfer, which is best for larger deposits, but bank transfers usually take between 1 to 3 days before it's processed. And you can also use your debit or credit card. Debit or credit card is instant deposit but may have higher fees compared to bank transfer. Then you enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. Immediately, the Stellar equivalent is deposited into your crypto exchange wallet. Step 4 is to buy Stellar. When the funds in your account, here's how to buy XLM. Now, you search for Stellar or XLM in the platform's trading section. So it's going to bring out the list of cryptocurrencies. When you type Stellar, it's going to bring out Stellar. Click on that and you select the amount you want to purchase. Remember, you can start with just $1. Now, you review the order and click buy. And yes, you've just purchased XLM. It's that simple. Now, step 5 is for you to withdraw or store your Stellar. Now, once you've owned XLM, which is Stellar, you can hold it on the exchange. It's convenient but less secure, or you can transfer it to a wallet. You can use a software or hardware wallet for better security. The recommended wallet for Stellar includes Lobster Wallet, Ledger Nano S, and of course, those wallets are very secure in order for you to hold your Stellar. Now that you have deposited some funds into your Stellar wallet, how can you now benefit from Stellar? How can you make money from it? Number 1 is hodling. Holding onto XLM long term can be very profitable if the price appreciates. For example, if you buy $50 worth of XLM today at the rate of 0.1 cent per unit and it rises to $1 in the future, your $50 becomes $500. Another method you make money from XLM is for you to trade it. Now, you can trade it for other cryptocurrencies and grow your portfolio just like that. Staking or reward is also another method you can use to make money from Stellar. Some exchange actually offer staking rewards to just holding Stellar, now allowing you to earn passive income in the process, because your Stellar is just going to be there. You're not staking or exchanging it for other cryptos. You just leave it there and they pay you passive income for just holding Stellar. When you're ready to cash out all of these earnings that you just made from Stellar, you can definitely sell your XLM or your Stellar for your preferred currency, either in USD or in euros, etc. Now, you can definitely withdraw via bank transfer directly to your local bank, or you can definitely use PayPal if supported by your exchange. Now, the crypto wallet option is for you to transfer XLM to another wallet or platform and then you get paid for it. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. Crypto investments involve risk, so never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Always do your research and your due diligence and consult professionals if needed before investing in crypto. Congratulations, champions, you've just taken your first step towards understanding and investing in Stellar. Now, starting your crypto journey with just $1 might be small, but it's a significant step towards financial independence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who is new to crypto, and subscribe for more tips on earning online. Until next time, keep earning, keep learning, and stay amazing.